Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to do a quick little intro. We are going away for the weekend if you read it by the title. So I just want to say, hey, welcome back. It's the I to the N to the DIA. Be recording our weekend. Well, it's just really a night. We're staying today's Saturday. I know y'all probably hear Sadie crying. She's ready to go. We're about to drop her off at my parents' house and then hit the road to enjoy this nice little getaway weekend. So yeah, I probably won't see you guys until we approach Atlantic City, but I just want to say hey. And if you are new, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. All right, bye.
Really?
Oh.
Really? Can y'all stop? Okay, come on. Yeah, I know.
Hi, Cheese. What are you doing? A reservation for India.
Like it so far?
It's chill.
Delicious.
I got the Rasta pasta, and when I tell y'all, baby, this was so unseasoned. It's good? Yeah. Thumbs up. Fries look so good. Show inside your sandwich. You guys, I did not like my dinner, so Ryan gave me half of his sandwich. Hey y'all, so it is day 2. We are still out here in Atlantic City. Ryan and Layla went out to get some breakfast, and I actually think I hear them coming in. I think that's them. I hope it's them. So I just stayed back to get dressed, get ready, packed up or whatever so we can go. They are back with their breakfast. So yeah, so we're gonna start heading out soon. Checkout is at 11 o'clock. Hey Lay. And we're gonna go to our next place, which you guys will see. So yeah, I just wanted to say hey, good morning. And let's get into today. That was cool. I will do this for mommy. Read that, y'all. Period. Blah 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 blah.